Good morning, students. Now, today we will work out a problem on Norton's equivalent circuit. So, this is a problem taken from a GATE question paper. So, this is a linear network given, and you have to find the Norton's equivalent between the terminals x and x dash. So, this what you are seeing is network A. Network A. Network B is not shown because you are writing only Norton's equivalent. And we are not bothered about network B. So how to solve this problem? So first, as usual, the procedure is we have to short the terminals x and x dash. That is the procedure, and the current that flows here is what is called as short circuit current, ISC, also known as Norton current. Also known as Norton current. And we have to find this Norton current ISC. So for that, what I will do, first I will transform voltage source to current source. 6 volts divided by 3 ohms. 2 ampere current source in parallel with 3 ohms. So first I will do source transformation. First I will do source, or you can also do this source transformation. One and the same. Now 6 by 3. So 2 amperes, 2 amperes, 2 amperes in parallel with 2 amperes in parallel with 3 ohms. 2 amperes in parallel with 3 ohms. Next is 3 and 3 in parallel. So 1.5 ohms. So 1.5 ohms converted to 1.5 ohms in parallel with 2. So that is 3 volts in series with 1.5 ohms. 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 Next is convert this also to voltage source. So 6 volts in series with 3 ohms. 6 volts in series with 6 ohms. 3 ohms. 6 volts in series with 3 ohms. 6 volts in series with 3 ohms. Based on source transformation. Now these two are cumulatively connected because negative terminal is connected with positive. 6 plus 3, 9. And resistance is 3, 1.5. 3 and 1.5 are in series, 4.5 ohms. So 9 volts divided by 4.5, that is current in the circuit is 9 divided by 4.5, that is 2 amperes. That is 2 amperes. Now short circuit current is equal to 2 amperes. Short circuit current is 2 amperes. Now next is, so this is a rather simplified network. So in this simplified network, what I will do is I will kill all the sources. I will kill the R. So that is to become to make a dead inactive circuit. So short circuit current is 2 amperes flowing from X to X dash. I will take it here. Now I will kill the sources. Short circuit. Here also short circuit. Now, what is the resistance in the circuit now? Now the resistance in the circuit is, between X and X dash is 3 plus 1.5, that is 4.5 ohms. So 4.5 ohms is the resistance. You can also call this as R Thevenin or R Norton. one and the same. One and the same. So 3 plus 1.5, 4.5. Now draw the Norton's equivalent. The Norton's equivalent is 2 ampere source in parallel with 2 amperes in parallel with 4.5 ohms. So this is what is called as Norton's equivalent. So Norton's equivalent is a 2 ampere current source in parallel with 4.5 ohms. So this is how we have to work out problem. Thank you.